Okay, I get this question all the time. Hey, if I get your bulletproof trust, how does that make my income tax disappear for my job? Well, it doesn't, okay? You're operating your person, it's a business type, okay? And it is taxable, things that it does, all right? But a bulletproof trust is not, okay? A bulletproof trust is not taxable, all right? You can get it on these two websites. So, and then people ask me this, all right? Okay, what about the W-9 and 1099? Okay, well, you can, move your status from operating the person, right? You could, like, if where you're working, if you currently want to continue there or some other place or something like that. I don't recommend jobs, but, you should get in the mentor program and get away from all that. But if you need to do it short term, whatever, you don't have the knowledge yet, fine. Think of it under your, slave programming lingo language they've given us, right? They're like independent contractor. You run your own company, things like that. Think of your slave trading back to there. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna be like, oh, can I fill out a W-9 with you, right? Can I do that? And then what are you going to put on that? Not your person. You're going to put on your trust, blah, 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 trust, right? With its EIN. Here you go. You just pay that thing. Okay. Well, you're like, oh, but what about the end of the year? They're going to send a 1099. Okay. That doesn't matter. Okay. They're going to send everyone a 1099. This trust is what? A 508C1A. It means special rules with respect to 501c3. In other words, you can be tax exempt over 501ca, and you're a convention. Yay. Okay. I'm an operated convention. Fine. No problem. Guess what? You don't have to file, any pieces of paper with the IRS any year, ever. All you do is get your EIN to operate this trust. You do not file with them every year. Whatever you do financially with this trust, they don't care. They don't need to know. There's nothing to fill out. Nothing like that. Okay, you can get a bank account, credit cards, own things in the name of trust, real estate, vehicles, etc., etc. You can do anything you can do with any other business, except you do not have to pay taxes at the end of the year. Do you get how simple this is? This is like the simplest hack on earth. Anyone that doesn't have this, you gotta wonder what's up? Why do you want to pay income taxes? Why do you want to pay property taxes? Can't you see some property is exempt from paying property taxes legally, totally legally? Why don't you do the same thing they do? And it's just in a trust. All you do is put property in a trust. Property tax exempt. You go down to the county. You're just like, hey, where's that paperwork in this county to get tax exempt status for real estate? Oh, cool. To fill it out. That's it. Thank you. Okay. All right. So, hey, the IRS, it says I owe money. Okay. You're not operating the person, that business. It doesn't have a bank account anymore. So what? The IRS wants money. It can't have any. You don't have any in your person anymore. Own everything. I'm sorry. Own nothing. Control everything. Right? You don't have anything. You're like, oh, I'm trustee of this trust. It's not mine. I have nothing. I don't have a car. Go get an EBT card. Why? Because your person has nothing. Zero. All zeros, baby. I have nothing. Sorry. You can't have anything. See how simple this game is? They win this game. Okay? Why don't you get the Bulletproof Trust today?